Welcome back, gang. In today's video we are going to be seeing how we can install Python 3 on your PC so that you can start developing and follow along in this Python tutorial series. So first of all, you may not have to do this. You may already have Python installed on your system, but this is a way for you to check if you have Python installed. Just type in Python -- version, and if you get a version number thrown back at you, then you are good to go. But if you get some error like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, then you do not have Python installed. Just head over to www.python.org right here and just head down to downloads, Windows or whatever operating system you're on, and then just simply hit on that version, the latest Python version. So you want to download the 3.9.1 so that you can follow along. Just hit this button and installer should begin. It should take a few seconds. Okay, and once this is done, just run that. Okay, but I already have Python, so I'm not going to run this. But for you, you should just click on install now and make sure to click on the add to the path variable so that your machine can be able to know where your Python installation is. So I'm just going to cancel this. Yes, then let's just head back to our terminal, because by now you have Python installed, and you can get interactive by just typing in Python, and it will open up a Python shell where you can do basic commands like, let's write a basic Python program. Yeah, you can even print out something. Don't worry about this, we'll cover this in the coming series. Let's just see this. Ooh, hello. Okay, voila, you have successfully installed Python and you are ready to get into the series. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, for shame, hit that subscribe button. If you already have done that, then smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.